In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partials Ctrader. Taking partial profits, often called taking partials, lets you lock in gains or reduce risk without closing your entire trade. This is especially helpful when price is moving in your favor, but you still want to keep some exposure in case the trend continues. Start by opening Ctrader desktop on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the correct trading account and that the symbol you want to manage is visible. A quick glance at the account type and balance at the top of the platform helps you confirm you're in the right place before you make any changes. Next, navigate to the Trade tab and select Positions. This section lists your active trades, including the symbol, direction, volume, price, and unrealized profit and loss. If you don't see your position, double check the filters and ensure you're on the positions view rather than orders or history. Find the position you want to partially close and click the small gear icon next to it. This icon opens a context menu with actions related to that specific trade. It's a safe way to ensure you're adjusting the correct position instead of accidentally affecting something else. From the menu, choose Close Position. This will open a close dialog. Don't worry, this doesn't immediately close the entire trade. You'll get the chance to specify exactly how much you want to close before anything is executed. In the volume field, enter the portion you want to close. The units you see depend on your platform settings. If your position is measured in lots, typing 0.50 closes half of a 1 pound lot position. If it's in units and you hold 100,000 units, entering 50,000 closes half. Check the minimum volume and step size allowed by your broker. For example, you may need to use increments like 0.01 lot or specific unit steps. It's a good idea to confirm the remaining volume displayed in the dialog matches what you intend to keep open. When you're ready, click Close. The platform will execute a market close for the amount you specified. Be aware that market conditions can cause slippage, so the fill price may differ slightly from the current quote. After execution, your Positions tab will update to show a reduced volume for the trade, and your realized profit or loss for the closed portion will be reflected in your account. You've now successfully taken partial profits while keeping the rest of the position running. That's all there is to it. Open Ctrader desktop, go to Positions, use the gear menu, choose Close Position, set the volume you want to close, and confirm. Practice on a demo account if you're new, and always double check the volume before you click Close.